Hi, and welcome to this special video on the demolition of the former Sears store at Devonshire Mall in Windsor. Today, we'll explore the history of Sears, the reasons behind its closure, and the plans for redevelopment, and what the future holds for this iconic space. The Sears store in Windsor, located at Devonshire Mall, opened in 1970. It was part of the mall's original lineup when the mall itself opened that year. Sears, originally part of the Simpsons-Sears partnership, offered a wide range of products from clothing to home goods. In 2016, Sears Canada had a network that included 140 corporate stores, 71 hometown stores, over 900 catalog and online merchandise pickup locations, 69 Sears travel offices, and a nationwide repair and service network. However, the retail landscape began to shift, and Sears faced increasing competition from online retailers and big box stores. Sears closed the store in Windsor on January 14, 2018, as part of a broader withdrawal from the Canadian market, as the company struggled financially. This marked the end of an era for many loyal customers who had shopped there for generations. However, when one era goes out, another comes in. The space, which covers approximately 7 hectares, or 18.5 acres, is being cleared to make way for new developments. The demolition began in mid-July 2024 and is expected to take several months to complete. Devonshire Mall is owned by Primaris, a real estate investment trust that manages several malls across Canada. The company is spearheading the redevelopment efforts, although specific financial details about the reconstruction have not been disclosed. While the exact plans for the site have not been finalized, the space is being marketed as a blank canvas for new opportunities. Potential developments could include additional retail spaces, residential units, or even a hotel. The mall announced on Thursday that Sports Check and Marks will relocate to the new redevelopment north entrance once finished. The mall has already announced that new tenants such as the Canadian Brewhouse, Miniso, and Today Cafe will be joining the mall in other areas. The new development is anticipated to open in 2025, offering a fresh shopping experience to Windsor residents. The mall's management is in discussions with multiple potential tenants, and there is optimism about the economic outlook in Windsor, which could attract more businesses to the area. The demolition of the former Sears building at Devonshire Mall marks a transformative period for the mall and the Windsor community. As the site evolves, it holds the promise of new beginnings and opportunities for both retailers and shoppers. It will be interesting to watch the new building come into reality, don't you think? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.